Friends, if you're traveling to Rome, there are a few things you should know. Here are the most important do's and don'ts in the capital of Italy. Drink water from these public fountains. The water is fresh, safe to drink, and most importantly, free. Bring a bottle and refill it over and over again on your trip to Rome. Don't accept flowers or bracelets from men claiming they are gifts. They obviously aren't free and you will be asked to pay. Some of these guys can be really aggressive, so just ignore them and keep your distance. Use public transportation to move around Rome. It's cheap, efficient, safe, and everyone uses it. Taxis are a lot more expensive and they won't be a lot faster than the metro or the bus. Don't order a cappuccino after lunch. In Rome, cappuccinos are only served before noon. If you're craving one in the afternoon, order a caffè macchiato instead. Wear comfortable shoes. You will walk a lot in Rome and it will mostly be on cobbled streets. Many attractions are within walking distance of each other, so you won't be able to take a taxi or a bus. Also, many streets are pedestrian only and can't be reached by car. Don't wear shorts when visiting churches and places of worship. Clothing should cover your shoulders and knees, and you must be wearing shoes when entering a church. Buy your tickets in advance. If you already have tickets for the Vatican museums, the Colosseum, the Sant'Angelo Castle and Galleria Borghese, you won't have to wait in line and you can walk right in. Tickets sell out up to 3 weeks in advance, so don't count on buying them when you get there. If you don't already have tickets, the only way to visit these attractions is by joining a guided group, which is a lot more expensive and time-consuming as you'll have to wait in line. Don't rent a car when visiting Rome. The traffic in Rome is messy and you'll end up stressed over parking. Take the bus and the metro instead. There's a video on how to use public transportation in Rome on our channel. Check it out and you'll see how easy and cheap it is. Make restaurant reservations for lunch and dinner. Otherwise, you will have to wait in line a lot, especially at the good restaurants in Rome. Remember that lunch is served between 12:30 and 3 p.m., while dinner begins after 7 p.m., and most restaurants are closed between these hours. Don't ask for special ingredients at the restaurant. Italy is not the place to ask the chef to take out ingredients or add extras to the recipes. They won't do it and they will get upset. Watch your belongings. Rome is a very popular destination for both tourists and pickpockets, so make sure you keep your wallet and passport safe. Don't eat near the main attractions in Rome. There are some amazing restaurants in Rome with delicious food and fair prices, and none of them are right outside the main attractions. Try the local wines and dare to order the house wine at the restaurant. This is usually local, good quality wine sold by the glass or the carafe for a very fair price. Don't ask the waiter to split your bill at the restaurant, as they don't do that in Rome. Which brings us to the next point. Do carry some cash in Rome. Not only they don't split bills and you'll have to pay for your share, but the smaller stores may not accept credit card payments. Don't order a latte in Rome unless you want a glass of milk. Order coffee at the bar as it is cheaper. You can also drink it sitting at the table, but you will have to pay extra for the service. Don't order anything before you ask how much it costs. If the waiter recommends something, ask for the price before agreeing. Take it from someone who paid 20 euros for a fried egg. Book your hotel near the metro station. While the metro system doesn't cover the entire city of Rome, it will take you to Fontana di Trevi, the Spanish Steps, or the Vatican. Don't visit the most popular landmarks at the busiest hours. Get up early in the morning to visit Fontana di Trevi, the Spanish Steps, or Basilica di San Pietro. Please plan ahead for your trip to Rome. or you will end up spending a lot of money. There's a full guide on our channel, check it out for more tips and tricks for your trip to Rome.